In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an UGC AI video ad with Sedance 2.0. So to do it, we have two options. The first one is to create an image and then use the image as a reference to create the video. And the second one is directly to create the video. Personally, I think that it's better to create the image first and then create the video, but I'm going to teach you the two ways. So let's do the first one first. That is just do the video without an image of reference. So here I'm going to use this prompt that is a very simple prompt where I just say that I want a muscular young man of 28 years old to do an UGC-style ad for a protein. That's all. Now we have to click here and upload an image of our product. In this case is this protein. And now we have to click in settings and here be sure that you are using Sedance 2.0 and that in the duration you are using the duration that you want. So now let's click here and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 5 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video. So now let's see it.
Guys, if you're serious about gains, this is the only one I trust. Post-workout, every single time.
Well, as you can see, the video was really good. Personally, I like it a lot. But here we have a little problem that imagine if you wanted that this guy was a little bit less muscular. That is something that we can't change here. So what we can do is first creating the image as a reference and then use it. That way we can be sure that the main of the video will be as we want. So to do that, we have to go to the image section. Now we have to go to settings. Here, I prefer to use the model GPT image 2. Here, I'm going to use the quality high, but if you want, you can use the medium quality. I'm going to use the high. Then I'm going to put 3 images. And now we have to click in reference and upload an image of our product. Now here, I'm going to use the following prompt that, as you can see, is very similar to the one that I used in the video. And now we have to click here. Perfect. Now we have to wait more or less 1 to 2 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the images. So now we have to choose one. Personally, I like this one. So I'm going to download this image. And now we have to go again to the video section. Now here I'm going to use the following prompt that is very similar to the one that I used in this video. Now remember, in settings, be sure that you are using the model Sedance 2.0, that the duration is the one that you want. And now we have to click here and upload the image that we download. So let's click here. And now we have to click here and finally in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 5 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video. So now let's see it.
Guys, if you're serious about gains, this is non-negotiable. I've tried them all, and the taste and results, game changer. Post-workout, this is my first stop.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot, the video. So if you want to do videos like this one, now you know how to do it. And if you have any doubts, you can write me here via WhatsApp. That way I can help you with any doubt or problem that you have. So well, see you in the next video.